the next question, we've talked a bit about, can you do anything if you are at fault or you're not at fault? So this one is more in line with that line of questioning.
Thank you.
So we asked ChatGPT, my claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company was denied. Now what? Its response was, as a personal injury lawyer, my recommendation would be to first review the reason why the claim was denied by the insurance company. This information will help us determine our next steps. If we believe that the claim was denied unjustly, we may consider filing an appeal or lawsuit against the insurance company. Alternatively, we may explore other options, such as negotiating a settlement with the at-fault driver or their insurance company. The most important thing is to take action promptly, as there are strict deadlines for filing personal injury claims. What are your thoughts on that?
Meh.
No good?
I mean, some of it's not wrong, but look, it is my view that insurance companies are in the business of collecting premiums and denying claims. They deny claims as part of their modus operandi. That's their MO. That's how they roll, because they know they've done statistics, and X percentage of people will never follow up from a denied claim. X percentage of people are never going to hire a lawyer. La 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 la. And that's their deal. And so they do that to stall. They do that. They'll deny it, and then they want you to call them back, because even if you had originally taken $5,000, even if you're not going to hire a lawyer, now they denied it once, maybe you'll take $2,000. So it's a negotiation tactic. They're trying to get you to settle quickly before you realize the full extent of your injuries. A denial, like, oh, I'm not going to get anything. Oh, I have that mortgage due. Oh, maybe I'll accept. Oh, well, wait, I'll take that $500. I know I have $1 million in medical expenses, but right. And I disagree with the ChatGPT saying, look at the reason for denial. You can look at the reason for denial, but is that bogus? Is that part of the MO where they're just they're lying to you? And they are lying to you. They don't have a duty to tell you the truth. That's the other side's insurance company.
Right.
They don't have a duty to you to say to tell you the truth. They don't.
Or tell you anything.
They don't, or to not lie to you. They can say, I have this all the time. You had a soft tissue injury. We will never pay for medical after 6 weeks of treatment, because the doctors say that it's not correlative. It doesn't. That's totally lie. You had a prior accident 10 years ago for your neck. This is your second one. We don't give a lot of money for a second accident. Well, but I didn't need surgery, and my bone wasn't sticking out of my neck the first time, right? Or they'll tell you that. You don't get this kind. Oh, you had health insurance pay for your medical, so we don't have to pay for your medical. We only pay health, pain, and suffering. That's not true. And in fact, your health insurance is going to want to get paid back. They'll have a lien in your recovery. Or you're not entitled to get a wage loss damages because your employer paid them because they have a sick time policy. Not true. Not true. Not true. Not true. Not true. So they'll tell you the medical care wasn't necessary. They don't have to pay for medical care because you have insurance, lost wages. And they'll tell you if you go get a lawyer, you're going to have to pay more money because he's going to charge you more. We'll put more in your pocket without a lawyer. They'll tell you that. They'll dissuade you from getting a lawyer. None of that's true.
'Cause that's probably the biggest threat to them, right?
I will never take a case if I'm not adding value in my client's pocket after my well-earned fee. I won't do it. I'll say, listen, I can't add value to that. You'll make more money without me. I'll only take it if I can do it, and I will show you how we can do it every time.